Messe Düsseldorf is one of the world's largest trade fair organizers based in Düsseldorf, Germany. They host a wide range of international trade fairs, exhibitions, and conferences across various industries such as machinery, medicine, fashion, retail, and leisure. Some of their well-known events include MEDICA, world's leading trade fair for the medical industry; ProWein, leading trade fair for wines and spirits; and drupa, the world's leading trade fair for print and cross-media solutions. Messe Düsseldorf plays a significant role in connecting businesses, fostering innovation, and facilitating international trade relations. Today, I am at one of their huge events, the Trade Fair for Metals. Here we have the who is who, the big names in metal, reinforcements, wires, metal sheets, the big companies that are playing in this field. It was a very interesting experience. Please hit the like button for more videos. Thank you.